Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. I gotta cut this one short, kind of quick because I'm in a rush. I got a customer in the shop waiting for me. But check this out, guys. This is a beast, 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 LT Duramax. Super nice truck. Obviously, of course. It's got a whole bunch of goodies on it. It's tuned. It's got an edge monitor. It's got dual MBRP exhaust out the back, full 4-inch MBRP exhaust, LED taillights, gear alloy wheels, and these are a 18 by 10, I want to say, mounted on a Toyo Open Country 33 1250 18. Super nice undercarriage, as you can see. It's got a FabTech suspension lift kit on it. It's got air dog 165, I want to say it is. Water separator and fuel filter. I mean, this truck's got it, and it sounds tough. Beautiful, like white interior with the bench seat. Start up and show you how it sounds. Check it out. 4-wheel drive, everything's great. AC blows ice cold. 122,000 miles. Listen, ready? And she rolls coal, but it's super nice. There's the tuner right here. Just got out of the detail shop. You want to check out the under the engine? Ready? Door jambs are clean as hell. I hate to cut this one short, but I'll do a longer video next on it. I really will. Yeah, everything's awesome on this truck. Door panels, there's the VIN number. Check out under the hood. Ready? Mirrors, turn still incorporated in the mirrors. Projector LED headlights, cab lights up top. Pretty much stock with the engine, besides the exhaust, obviously, in the tune. Factory air filter fluids are nice and clean. Everything's up to date and shiny and clean. This truck was from, I want to say here in Virginia, but hope you like it. There's the truck, spray and bed liner. Everything's interior is really clean. There's the gas flap, super clean. But I'll do another video. It's got green underglow lights in the back seat. It's got the flip up seats, super clean, obviously. I'll show you it's got LED cab lights on top. Ready to turn the green switch on right here. Boom! And it's green underneath, like the Incredible Hulk. So, green truck, green, cool, it's all cool. But I hope you guys like the video. I gotta cut this one short. I'm sorry, it is short. And I'll talk to you guys soon because I'm sweating like crazy. I got a lot to do. Stay tuned for this truck. This is the 2007 Chevy Silverado 2500 Duramax. Subscribe, hit the like button, of course, and share these videos, guys. Hope everybody's doing great. I'll do a nice video on this truck, accelerating and braking and all that crap. Matter of fact, you guys want a video right now? I'll do a video for you right now. Ready? Check it out. What do you want me to do? Everybody's gonna be like, do a burnout, Mark. All right, ready? Revving it up in me. All right, ready? All right, there you go. Happy guys. See you later. That's a little burnout for you. Bye.